Please remain seated now.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. Day 7 or day 8. I am at the Frankston Pier. This is like 2 hours bus ride from where I live. I wasn't planning to come here anytime soon, pero something happened. My uncle passed away kanina umaga, and he was an uncle who introduced me to fishing. No, I just started first cast.
Oh, it's the first cast.
Yeah, I don't think I'll catch anything though.
You're usually out here.
Salmon.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hope you catch something. Good luck.
Thank you. You have a good day. It's nice fishing around here in Melbourne, in Australia. People talk to each other. Maybe that's just human nature. It's driving quite heavy. I thought I caught something there, but maybe it's just seagrass. So my uncle passed away this morning. He was around 80 years old. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin sa fishing. We were in a private resort in Cavite, in the Philippines. Tapos may dala siya na fishing rod, pinagamit sa akin. Hindi naman niya exactly ako tinuruan kung paano mag-fishing. Basically, tinuro niya lang how to work the rod, the reel, how to cast. Pero iniwan na niya ako after that, andun lang ako sa pier. And I spent most of my time there kasi nagkakabulbul yung fishing line because I didn't know what I was doing. So that's how I spent the afternoon, basically untangling the knots. At the end of that session, may nahuli ako, maliit lang, ganyan lang kaliit na, I don't know what fish that was. Habang inaantanggal ko yung buhol, apparently it took the bait. And then that's my very first catch. So yeah. Ang tanong, hanggang ano oras ba ako dito? Kasi nga malayo tayo from home. I need to catch the bus to the train station, and then train station pauwi. I think meron namang buses going to the train station sa Dandenong, and then Dandenong trains meron naman yan siguro hanggang gabi, hanggang 9. I'm thinking I can finish at 4, catch the bus to train station. Siguro makauwi ako late na, 9, 10. And then I'll post the video. So yun, it was just one time na nakapag-fishing ako sa Philippines. Hindi na naulit until I went to New Zealand. I got myself a rod sa online auction. And then I stopped. Wala akong 1 year. Nag-stop na ako because I had to work. I got to work. Ito nga pala yung crankbait na nakuha ko from AliExpress. I like it. Hindi siya surface lure exactly. It goes under the water, but it doesn't sink to the bottom. It's just somewhere in the middle. Pag ni-retrieve mo, it goes down, pero it wobbles. So I like it. Hindi siya gaya nito, hindi ako familiar sa pier nito, the water, what's underneath. So rather than lose my lure, ito yung ginagamit ko just to explore. Ganda naman siya. Pakita ko if you can see it. There you go. Also makikita nyo, I have a transparent fluorocarbon leader. Tapos yung fishing line ko, it's white, braided, as I explained in the other video. Umalis ako ng bahay siguro around 10. I was walking the dog when I found out na nag-pass away na yung uncle ko. And then I was just, I don't know, it was sad. I want to be there, pero I can't dahil wala naman akong pambili ng plane ticket. Tapos may dumaan na bus, 901 bus papuntang Frankston, and I've always wanted to come here for some reason. I can't tell you right now. Alam ko may pier dito, alam ko maraming nag-fishing dito. So ayun, I took the bus. Inuwi ko muna si Doggy. Inuwi ko siya and then got my gear together, took the bus, 2 hours and a half to get here. Hindi na ako nagbike kasi I don't know, I don't know. I wanted to do something different. He is survived by his wife, tita ko, and my cousin, and 2 grandkids na malaki na. Napansin ko, may iba tayo ha. Napansin ko with this line, mas malayo yung tapo natin comparatively. Siguro dahil Mas manipis yung line, mas magaan. Oh, look. Kala ko fish. So, mas malayo yung tapon. Hindi pa ganun kabigat itong lure na ginagamit ko, yung crankbait. It's less than 10 grams. Pero malayo siya. Wala masyadong tao sa pier. Mga nag-workout, dadaan, then they go. Kaya nung napagkwentuhan kanina, he was just walking around. Parang merong weight na it's probably seaweed. Felt like there was weight. Wow, nakalimutan ko yung lock. Siguro mayroong mga seaweed under the water kasi hindi naman snag yung lure ko eh. Meron nang parang pumipigil eh. Layo yung cast natin. Stretch ko lang yung legs ko, tapon ako ng konti, may mahuli, catch and release, then uwi na ako ng 2 hours 7, sa bahay ako 8 or 9 9 sa bahay na ako. Layo ito from where I fish, siguro in that direction. Ayun, parang CBD na yun in the horizon. Malayo pa to sa Sorrento. Sorrento is in my bucket list. Pupunta tayo dun minsan one of these days. Samahan niyo ako when we go there. Doon tayo papunta eh. Doon ako papunta eh. Sorrento. And then, Malakuta na yon. Papunta na ng Malakuta. Or I go west. Papuntang Port Fairy. I'm leaning more towards Port Fairy. Pero okay din if I go towards Malakuta. Morning. Kaya i-bike to eh. Kaya lang pagdating ko rito, kailangan dito na ako matulog. Hindi ko kayang balikan. Not yet. Ganda ng lure. I wish I could give you a close-up pero nagbo-wobble siya parang isda talaga. Time check, 3:30. Uwi na ako. Maambo na eh. I love it. I had a good time. Babalik na ako. Overnight trip, most likely. I should do this more often.